Hey Stefan, my name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So by the end of this video, you like what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If no, it's okay. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is content. Google loves content, and you want to make sure on your homepage you have at least 1500 or 2000 words of your content, and then pictures are saved in a correct way with right keywords. So the second thing I want to talk about is citation. So if you come here and type electricians NYC, first of all we're gonna see the ads here, and then we see the usually map pack. So you want to be here, or at least on the first page on organic search, because 75% by statistic, the people are not going on the second and third page. So what is citation? Is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. So it's basically Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services. So, and the last thing I want to talk about is backlinks, and so that has a lot to do with this organic search here. And as you see, we can see like Yelp here, then all of these big companies, the expertise, then we see those NG, all of these home advisors, all of them, that big national companies, that's all taking up the top of the page. So the way backlinks work, it means that there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from other websites. So the backlinks are not always created equal. You have, for example, if backlinks from some ice cream shop, and it's all about ice cream and ice cream stuff, it's not gonna do it as much good for you as, let's say, another electrician company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So, and looking of one of my these tools is called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. I can see here you have 26 referring domains. That brings you 92 backlinks, and out of those you're getting found for 64 keywords, and out of those keywords you are getting 120 people on average on your site each month. If we can see one of your competitors here, Apollo NYC, so they have 47 referring domains. That brings them 381 backlinks, which is getting them found for 414 keywords, and they have almost 600 people average on their site each month. And if we even see what kind of organic keywords they have in their content, we can see the first one, they searching for their name, and then second one is electricians in my area. You have 2000 people searching and 70 people going to their website. Electrical NYC, 150 people searching and 46 people going. So all of these keywords over here, just giving you idea which keywords you want to use for your content. So it's very doable to boost these numbers, and we specialize in this. So if you so what you need is the content, citation, and backlinks. So that's pretty much it. That's all I had, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given today. I will be in touch with you to get feedback on this video. I'm not selling this video, it's free. I'm just looking for feedback. And thanks again, and you have a great day.